ยังปุญญังปัสสุตังนิพพา By my devotion to the Buddha and the blessing of this practice, Samperiyantaraya Vimahe Sumkasadesasaha. By this power may all obstacles be overcome.
วาจายาวาเจตัสสาวะ I got this spirit of mine พุทเทตุกัมมังปัตตตังมายายัง Whatever long action I have committed towards the Buddha
ริติสังโฆโยสัมภะปะรินังสารนังเขมมุตตมังThe Sangha visits physical welfare of beings. Tatyanussati thanang vandamitam sivenaham. And the object of recollection, I venerate it without hate. Sangasaha samitha suva sankame samikitsaro. I am indeed the Sangha servant. The Sangha is my Lord and guide. Sangho dukkha sakkata daritata darita same. The Sangha is sorrow destroyer and it bestows blessings on me. Sangha sahang niyate misariran chiritan chitang. I dedicate my body and life. One tanto hang charita me sangatso patipannatang. And in devotion I will walk the well-practiced way of the Sangha. Nati me saranang anyan sangho me saranang varang. For me there is no other refuge. The Sangha is my excellent refuge. Etena satchavacchena vattayam sattu sasane. By the assurance of the truth, may I grow in the Master's way. Sangham me vandamani nayam punyam pasutang ita. By my devotion to the Sangha and the blessing of this practice, Sabbe Priyantaraya me mahe sumta sade sasa. By His power may all obstacles be overcome.
กายเดวาจยาวาเจตัสสาวะ by body sleep or mind. Sanke lukamang vatatamaya. For whatever long action I have committed towards the Sangha, Sangho Patikanatavajayantam. May my acknowledgement of all be accepted. Kalantale Sangvalitum Vasanghe. So that in future they may be listed regarding the Sangha.
อันดามยังมติตาปัจโจหิตกะปาทังดานามาเส
Now let us recite the process for reflection on the produce of the references.
ปัจจามยา
Apajjavikitavayam jivaram pariputam. Whatever role I use today without consideration. Anyavati vasita savatikataya. Was simply through word of God. Unnasavatikataya. Through word of it. Dang samakasavatatapasiveng sarvasambasanam vatikataya. Through word of the path of flies, mosquitoes, wind, sun, and dark Christ. Yavadeva hiriko vinapadicharanatram. Simply for the purpose of covering the parts of the body that cause sin. Anchamaya Bhagavekitavaya Vinapado Pariputta. Whatever harmful I do today without consideration. Sunnivatavaya Namataya Namandalaya Naripusanaya. Was not used prayerfully, nor for intoxication, nor for putting on weight, nor for beautification. Yavadeva Imasakaya Sadite efficiency of weather and for the enjoyment of seclusion. Achamaya Pachavedita Vayu Shivana Pachaya Vichacha Parikaro Pariputto. Whatever medicine or requisite for curing the sick are you today without consideration. So Yavadeva Upananam Vayavadikanam Vedananam Pratikatoya was simply through one of epithets of illness that had arisen. Apaya Pachaparamatayanti, and for absolute protection from disease.
กรณียมันดาตุสังเกนะ
This is what should be done by one. Yantam santam patam baptisamija. Whose is skilled in goodness and who knows the path of peace. Sako uchuja suhuchuja. Let them be able and upright straightforward. Suvatu tatsamuto anatimani. And gently speak, humble and unconceited. Santo Sakoja Suparoja, contented and physically satisfied. Apakito Tasalahu Kavote, unburdened with duties and focused in their ways. Santin Tariyoja Nipagoja, peaceful and calm and wise and skillful. Apakapokuleso ananukita, not proud and demanding in nature. Najakutang samajarekinje, let them not do the slightest thing. Yena vinyo pare upavatayo, that the white foot let the report. Love people walk me no wonder, preaching in kindness and in safety. Sape satta bhavantu sukhitata, may our beings be at peace. Ye keti pana putate, whatever raving beings there may be. Asava lava anavasesa, whether they are weak or strong, omitting none. Ikawaye Mahantava, the great or the mighty. Machivarasaka Nukatura, medium, short or small. Ikawaye Jatitai, and the unseen. Ye Jature Vasante Aviture, those living near and far away. Utawa Sampavesiva, those born and not reborn. Sape Sata Bhavantu Sukhitata, may our beings be at ease. Na Palo Palam Nikupeta, let none be sick unanswered. Nati manje takatati nangenje, or despite any being in any state. Paya rosana patika sanya, let none through anger. Nanya manya satuka michaya, or evil which harm upon unanswered. Mataya pani yang putang, even as a mother protects with her life. Ayusa eka puta manorake, her child and her child. Evam pisapatu te subhana sampavaye aparimanam. So with unbounded thought should drowsiness. Etang santang atitaya. One should sustain this correction. Brahma metang viharam ipamaho. This is said to be the sattva abiding. Siddhata anupakamma. By not holding to fictitious. Sila pasanena sampanna. The one who has fruits and is fruit of right will. Kame suvinaya ketam. Being free from all sense desires. Na hijatu kapachayam punarete te. Is not born again into this world.
Dandamayan Utisanaritana Kata Yoganamase.
The red ascender was that of sharing and aspiration.
Imina Punyata
Amena upachaya kunutara. Through the goodness that arises from my practice. Ajariyum akara jamata pita jayata kapiyamamam. May my spiritual teachers and guides of great virtue, my mother, my father, and my relatives, Surveyu Janti Maharaja Gunawanta Naurapita, the sun and the moon, and all virtuous leaders of the world, Brahma Maharaja Ikajaro Kaparaja Devata, may the highest cross and evil forces cherish and beings, God is spirit of the earth, and the rod of death, Yamomita Manosaja Machata Vereka Pita, may those who are friendly, indifferent, or hostile, Sape Sata Sukhi Honto Punyani Pakatani may all beings receive the blessings of my life. Tu Kantati Vitandento Kipam Papeha Umatan. May the soon attain the seafold grace and the rise the deathless. Imina Punya Kamena Imina Ugisena Ja. Through the goodness that arises from my practice, and through this act of sharing, Ipahang Sura Pejewatan Upadana Chetanan, may undesires and attachments quickly cease. Ye Santane Ina Dhamma Yavani Panato Mahan, and on harmful state of mind until I realize Nibbana. Na santo sattva yevaya prajato bhave bhave. In every kind of birth may I have an upright mind. Ujjotitang sati panya sammeko viriyamina. Let mindfulness and wisdom authority and recall. Malala antono kasanta tunca viriye sume. May the forces of delusion not take hold nor weaken my resolve. Uttari pavaro to dhammo nato varuttamo. The Buddha is my excellent refuge. Unsurpassed is the protection of the Dhamma. Nato pacceka putto ja sangho nato taro mamang. The solitary Buddha is my noble guide. The Sangha is my supreme support. Eso tammanu bhavena maruka sangha banduma. Through the supreme power of all this, may darkness and delusion be dispelled. Akasarnaja ummata devata kamahitika. May devas and nagas of great power, standing in space and on land, Rakhantu Buddha Sasanam. May they rejoice in memories and protect the Buddha's teachings.
อารา